Welcome to today's video, where we're going to dive into a common problem that many React developers face. The problem lies in the fact that even though there is a DOM element present in the index.html file with the ID root, an error stating uncaught in promise, error, target container is not a DOM element, still occurs. This can be quite puzzling, especially when everything seems to be in place at first glance. Now, let's delve into the solution for this issue. The problematic code causing the error revolves around trying to render the React app using ReactDOM. The code snippet that needs attention is where we attempt to render the app component inside the root container. This part of the code is incorrect and needs to be adjusted to resolve the error. To continue with the solution, the next step involves addressing the improper use of ReactDOM.render. In the provided code snippet, there is an attempt to render the BootstrapApp component using ReactDOM.render, which is not the correct approach. This incorrect usage is what leads to the error message indicating that the target container is not a DOM element. Moving forward with the solution, it's essential to rectify the code block responsible for rendering the BootstrapApp component. In the code snippet shared, there are issues with both finding the root container element and rendering the component using ReactDOM. By addressing these specific points and making the necessary adjustments, we can ensure that the React app renders correctly without any errors. In summary, by understanding the incorrect usage of ReactDOM.render and rectifying the code to correctly render the React app within the root container, we can resolve the target container is not a DOM element error. Hopefully, this explanation has shed some light on how to approach and fix this common issue in React development. As always, remember to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. The React community appreciates your engagement.